Okay, we are on about the 19th day, I think. Tim's got the landscaping looking really good on the front. We have to do some work to this brick. So they took the railings off and they've washed the brick with acid. Drywall patching going on. Door casing. All right, Bobby's got some of the trim going on in here. Door frame going in there. So that's going to be the dual sliders.
Yep.
Hey, Trey's working on the tile. This is going to be beautiful. This is the room that we laminated with the 1/4 inch drywall. It is really nice looking. This is the laundry room.
Right here, yeah.
And that's one of the laminated walls. That's a new wall. We have a new window on order. It'll be here in about a week. Started to get some work on the back of the house done. That place up there where the piece of siding was missing has been repaired. And Todd built a really nice crawl door. Here we're taking out some trash trees and we've removed that old nasty lattice fence that went around this very nice patio.